Good morning, ma'am. My name is Nicole Ocabusog. I am from BSN2Q, and this video is all about my siege and bag. So for the first is I'm gonna magdiko ako sa paper lining and sa ako ang plastic lining. So to fold it, I'm gonna fold it back. And the next is my plastic lining here. So for the next is my hand towel and together with the hand soap. So this towel, I'm gonna fold it in tri-fold, and then after it, I'm gonna fold it in the S-fold. So here. And I'm gonna put this back in the plastic together with the soap. So the next is my apron. This is already folded outside, in wrong side out. Here. Here. Ganyan siya pagsuot. Tapos ikot siya sa likod. And ganyan siya after magamit is fold siya paingan. Then make sure lang na dili siya matouch sa uniform after use. So I'm gonna fold it back to the wrong side out. And put this back on the plastic. Now I'm gonna show how I wrap my Kelly forceps, the straight and the curve, my surgical scissor, and my rubber suction. So first, I'm gonna wrap my Kelly forceps, the curved one. Then fold here, and then make a dog ear para nig-open, diri ka magunit mag-open. So, fold na pod here. And make a dog ear. And the top, fold. Add a dog ear also. And wrap it around without the dog ear. So, gonna put some tape on it with these markings. Kaya kung i-autoclave siya, kay mo darken ni siya as a proof na it is ready to use and is already sterile. Same with this. I'm gonna add some tape with markings on it. For the next one is the surgical scissor. So for this one is, di na siya kailangan og na i-markings kay ibabad na siya sa solution. Kaya kung i-autoclave siya is na possibility nga mahabol or madal ang iyang blade. So this one is, I'm gonna fold it the same way. Ang purpose ani niya is for the newborn babies para i-suction ang iya sa iyang nasal and the mouth after birth. Hold it here. Okay. Then fold all the way. So I'm done. Now I'm gonna show you how I will put my items here in my CHN bag. So for the first is my digital thermometer, since I don't have the rectal and the oral ones. Just this. And my syringes, the 3cc, 5cc, and 10cc. I'm gonna also put it here beside. And the next one is my medicine cup. I'm gonna put it here in the right side, together with my three test tubes. Put it here inside. My test tube holder, I'm gonna put it also here. My dropper and my medicine dropper, put it also here. So the next is my baby scale. I'm gonna put it on the left side. Now I'm gonna put my alcohol, my skin cleanser from left to the right side. So first is the alcohol, the skin cleanser, the normal betadine, my PNSS solution, my Benedict and the acetic acid solution here. And the last one is my denatured alcohol. And for the next part is I'm gonna put my basin in the middle. So, here. I'm gonna also put my bandage scissor in the left. So baby scale, I'm gonna put it maybe on the still on the left side. And my medicine cup, the small one, put it here. And my wet and dry cotton. So the wet is already wet with alcohol. Put it here, the middle. And my urine stool sample here, the middle also. Together with my cotton tip pledget. Put it also right here. Next is my alcohol lamp together with the match inside. And my extra cotton balls also here on the side. For the next one,